Welcome to my YouTube channel PowerPoint University. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to make a Ishikawa cause and effect diagram, or it is commonly called as a fishbone diagram. Here you can see here I have drawn the fishbone first starting with the head, and you can see here I have added some teeth to it and put the text as effect, and then you have got the bone and the tail here, and I've added six options. Option 1, you can define all the causes, and again the same thing for option 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And for the fun element, I have just added a little animation to it. When I click, you can see here the eyes started rotating, and on the second click there are some water bubbles comes out from the fish mouth. And you can download this slide for free and you can update your own text here. And on the second slide, I have added one more option, extra option, which is option 7 and 8, and again the same animations I have added to it. So let's see how to create this cause and effect or a fishbone diagram in PowerPoint. Add a new slide, go to view, enable the guides. I'm going to draw the fishbone. For that, go to insert, shapes, and select rectangle rounded corners and draw in the center and make it fully curved. Reduce the size and shape outline, make it no outline, and then align, just say center, align middle. Now I'm going to draw the head of the fish. To draw the head, go to insert, shapes, select a triangle, draw the triangle and rotate it to, I'll just say rotate right 90 degrees, and shape outline, make it no outline. I'll just put it here. Let me just zoom in and right mouse click, just say edit points, and you can see here the 3 points here. I'll just select this point, right mouse click and just say smooth point. You got this one, and here also select this and just drag it outside. So you can see here the shape of the head. Then I'm just going to cut here for the mouth. To cut for the mouth, go to insert, shapes, select a triangle again, draw the triangle, something like this, and you can use this arrow to rotate it. Let me just increase the size, shape outline, make it no outline, right mouse click, edit points, and I'm just going to select this, drag this down, this also drag this down, and here again drag this also down, and just click outside. I'm just going to select a different color for the time being and put it here. I'll just rotate it something like this, flip horizontal. I will select first the head and this shape, go to format, merge shape, and just say subtract. You can see here the head is taking its shape. Then I'm going to draw an eye. For that, go to insert, shapes, select an oval shape, hold the shift key for the perfect circle and put it here, and I'm just going to give a different color, shape outline, make it no outline, then select the head and the eye, merge shape, just say subtract. So you can see here the shape of the fish is ready. If you want, you can add the teeth also, a small or triangles, you can add it here. So let me just put the head here, and if you want, you can just increase the size a little bit and you can add it here. Now let me add the tail or the fin. Let go to shapes and select this particular, which is trapezoid. Draw the trapezoid and rotate it, which is again rotate 90 degrees. You can see this orange point, just drag it inside, make it something like this and put it here. Shape outline, make it no outline, and then go to insert shapes, select a oval shape, draw the oval shape something like this, give some different color. I can make it format shape, right mouse click and make it somewhat transparent, and then I'm going to cut, I will just say this much part. Select this and the oval shape, merge shape and subtract. So you can see here the tail or the fin, it's ready now. And then we have to add the bones now. For that, go to insert shapes, select the oval shape, draw the oval shape something like this, make it somewhat transparent, shape outline, make it no outline, and press Ctrl D to duplicate this. And I'm just going to place something like this and going to increase the size, and I'm going to cut this part only. You can see here this part. For that, I will select the small circle and then the big circle, go to format, merge shape and just say subtract. So you can see here this is ready now. I'll just rotate it, and how many you want, 3 4 options or whatever, you can just add it. Reduce the size. So this is my first bone, then second. Here I'm just going to increase the size. If you want 3 4, it's up to you. And then the third one, I will just reduce the size. And then you can add the causes here. For that, I'm going to insert shapes, select a triangle, draw the small triangle something like this, shape outline, make it no outline and rotate it to rotate left 90 degrees, zoom a little bit and just bring it here. I can reduce the size. I'll just put it here. For this, I'm just going to make the transparency to 0%. You can see here, and then I'll just press Ctrl D. So this is my 3 causes I'm adding for each bone. Ctrl D again. Alright, and then you can add the text here. I will just say a cause. Maybe you can use some gray color. Right align, reduce the size. So this is one cause, second cause. So I'm just pressing Ctrl D to duplicate it. And then you can put the main headings here, which is option 1 and option 2. I will increase the size. make it bold. I'll just say option 01, and this will be option 02. So likewise, I'm just going to copy this thing again, Control D, and put it here. You want 3 or 4, you can just add it like this for all the bones and put the options. And once done, you can change the color. I'll just select this one. I want this color to be, for example, a maroon, and all those things also I'll just select by holding the control key and give the same color. And this text also, you can go to home and select this, and if you want you can give the color also. So likewise you just do it for all other bones. So you can see here I have added all the causes and changed the color. Let me just fit to the slide, and I'm just going to select this structure and I'm going to give some dark color here. You can see here. And if you want to give some more beautification work, you can just do it. For example, I'll just select this, press Ctrl D, and I will give some light gray color. I will rotate it and I can increase the size just to give the a fish effect. You can see here I can just simply do like this and Ctrl D and rotate, flip vertical, and you can just put it something like this. Let me just rotate it horizontal, yeah, and select both of these and send to back. So you can just play with this more. If you want, you can just make it somewhat something like this. So you can see here the fishbone is diagram is ready now. If you want, you can add more small teeth or bones to it. So that's it. That's it from me, friends. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe PowerPoint University. See you soon with more interesting stuff. Till then, goodbye.